Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to go over speed bumps. This will be a very simple driving lesson, and I'll be outlining all of the specifics of going over speed bumps effectively. Now let's get right to it. I'm going to exit this parking lot and turn onto a street that has quite a few speed bumps down the street, and I'll be telling you what you should be doing as I'm doing it. So let's get right to it. Let's go ahead, make our way to the street up ahead over here. And we will start going over the speed bumps on the street. Now, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're maintaining a consistent speed on the speed bumps. Now, you don't want to be accelerating and braking between the speed bumps. You want to maintain a consistent, decent speed. Now, this actually says 30 kilometers an hour, so that's the speed that I'll be traveling, 30 kilometers an hour. As you can see, consistent speed just like that over the speed bumps. Now, I'm also holding my hands firmly on the steering wheel, okay? Firm grip on the steering wheel, just like that. I'm not swerving from side to side over the speed bump. I'm just keeping a firm grip on the steering wheel as I go over each of the speed bumps. And it's very, very important to keep this grip, because as your car goes up and down, you might be tempted to take your hand off and adjust the radio or anything like that, but you want to keep a firm grip. Now, as you can see right here, this is the last speed bump on the street, but what I will do is I will actually just do a little turnaround on these side streets, and I'll do it one more time just to show you the specifics. So let's go ahead. We're going to turn on this street, and then we will loop around. Just going to go ahead and pull into this driveway right here to just do a quick turnaround, okay? Now, let's go back to the street with the speed bumps, and I will show you exactly what I'm doing one more time, just one more time. Okay, we're gonna head right on this street. We're gonna go over the speed bump street one more time. So once again, consistent speed, firm grip on the steering wheel. That's a key thing. And you also wanna go over the speed bump at a straight angle. Now, if you were driving a car that was, lowered, had a low stance, then what you should have done would be take the speed bump at an angle. But I'm driving an absolutely stock Mazda 3. There's no need for me to take this speed bump at an angle, so I'm going straight over the speed bumps. Now, you want to make sure that you're going at the appropriate speed. Now, there's a good speed that's not too fast and not too slow. There's no need for these types of speed bumps to go over them at a very, very low speed, because my car's not going to scrape. I'm not going to do any damage to the car. But there's also no need to go over it really, really quickly, because I don't want to get airborne on the speed bump. So you want to basically maintain a good speed, an appropriate speed for the speed bump, degree of height and so forth for the car that you're driving. And you want to match that appropriate speed with the appropriate type of handling to get over the speed bumps. But that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to go over speed bumps. I've told you the basics of maintaining a consistent speed, keeping a firm grip on the steering wheel, choosing an appropriate speed, and then also going over the speed bump at a straight angle, unless you're driving a lowered car, in which you will go over the speed bump at an angle, on an angle so that you don't scrape the bottom of your car. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe for more great car videos just like this one. And let me know what you think about going over speed bumps in the comments section of this video. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.